Okay, today we'll be doing a demolition derby on these two cars. They say age is 3 up on the box. And once again, I'm 14. So, my friend will be driving this car. We can't show him because the mother says so. But this is a Corvette. This is his. This is my Mustang cut off the roof. That's what's holding the body up. It's pretty sick. Mine's falling off. Mine's falling off of this roof. Gone through water. That's higher than that car, my car, which is the Mustang. So we'll get going. Here, Becca, videotape. Other friends, stay out of the video. Not even like right now. My car didn't come on. That would be what?
What do we have? A Mustang GT versus what?
Corvette, I don't know what kind.
Oh! And the Mustang is the first one down. Ooh!
Mine's got less batteries than his, so this goes a little faster. Ooh! Oh, my body's chopping down on the wheels.
Oh,
there we go. I'm still working on mine. Mine's going to be a convertible after I get done. These things will not die. I cracked the tail light on mine, but you can't tell. These things don't have lights. They'd be cool if they did. Mine doesn't like driving though. All the way, so backwards.
ooh.
Ow, my foot.
You hit yourself with your own car. That's sad. Ooh.
That was odd. Ooh, hit my body.
Why don't you guys try going off the sidewalk like you did before?
Okay.
They're gonna be jumping off that sidewalk over there. First up is Frankie's Mustang.
Ah, turn.
Ooh.
Oh, my steering broke.
Oh, and the Corvette got stuck halfway down. Oh.
My steering broke. Oh yeah, let's stand at my steering. Keep the crap out of here. My steering! Oh, I lost it. It's only turning this way. That's it, maybe a good hit will. Ah, I fixed it. Thank you, my, so-called,
Friend.
don't hit me. Shit.
What happened to it?
Ah, the body's being up. Little crapper.
Whoopsie.
Kill your car and keep stuck up if you keep putting it.
Ooh.
Ah, my steering! Freaking piece of shit.
I just lost the part where you went off the sidewalk. Closed on the line. Make him come up behind me.
Ah, my steering! I'm gonna freaking beat the crap out of my car if it doesn't work. There we go. Finally got one off. Becca, come on over here to my mom's car. Sidewalk's a little smooth to go off.
It's there, it came out!
I don't care. I'm not talking. Hey, camera girl.
Oh my god, it broke.
We got a broken car.
Well, that's the end of this car. You fucking stop, Becca. What do you do?
Hey, camera girl, I'm going up the curb here once. Come on down here, come on.
Well, we just lost his car, basically.
Battery fell out of his car. Of course, mine's beastly, so it always works. Here we go. Smooth one right there. Nice view.
Ooh! Okay, I'm gonna pick one car to hit. Oh,
you gotta pick mine. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, steering. My motor's starting to give out. I might have to replace it sooner or later. Here comes my black Mustang.
the black Stang.
It's now that I think about it, it's a Mustang GT Stallion. Oh, you had to do that?
Yep. I kicked the Stang.
Oh, that hurt your thought. How are we doing on time? So Becca, we're we should pick our winners.
Well, let's see. Mustang, go down there.
Okay.
Corvette, go down there. Stay behind me. Okay, line up on the middle of the street line.
Hurry up, we're burning daylight. My steering's broken again.
We got a Corvette down there. Mustang. And, ooh, that's gotta hurt.
My car, actually.
I don't know.
Mama's doing. Okay, Becca, my battery's dead. I'm gonna have to pick a winner here. I really want steering now. Usually sound like a battery.
Okay, let's bring him up here and we can check him out. Bring him up. Okay, now it's up to you guys. In the comment box, we want you to vote. Who do you think won in this battle royale?
Who do you think? I think mine was the best on that last hit. I think mine got the better curve, but I'm not sure. His flipped mine up in the sky a few times. So it's hard to tell. So whatever you do, just comment in the box. Doesn't matter who wins. Just vote for me because I own the channel, basically. And I can block you. So I'd vote for me if I were you. So this is our demolition derby. And bye.